Finally, I have received my Fear of God Athletics purchase. I actually saved I don't even know if I should say this or not, but I didn't pay tax because I bought it through Shop. The Shop app, for some reason, didn't charge tax. That's where I completed the purchase. I noticed that the stuff I was looking for was not necessarily available on Confirmed. So I went to Jerry Lorenzo's site. Yes, I said it in Spanish. I went to his site, Fear of God, and I placed my order there instantly. I didn't have to get a raffle, none of this. The first thing I want to talk about is the Los Angeles and Sesame. This is a sneaker that it doesn't really involve much in the way of super tech. We have some mesh fibers. This looks very well padded over here, but the unboxing process for this was just absolutely extreme. There is so much you have to comb through, so much paper, so much unwrapping to do. It is a laborious puzzle, absolutely. And when you get through it, you got this bad boy, which it doesn't really look as chunky as I had thought in pictures. It kind of looks subdued enough. This is a cloud white that is a little off-white, but we also have a bit of a beige here. You could rock this with a lot of stuff. Smells good, smells clean. Not an offensive sneaker at all. Fairly subdued. If people know, they know. I think that's a good way to go about this. Of course, you can see on the back, and I'm not really sure how we're doing in the replica market of this, but people were saying that this was only available at the launch store in Los Angeles. Maybe that's why this shoe is called the Los Angeles, but not so. I got it on Jerry's site. Really no trouble. It just took a while to get here. Up next, the shoe you're waiting for. This is the basketball in carbon. I've gone up a half size in both of these. I haven't yet tried these on and put them to the test. I may just do that. I was thinking about like copying one and kind of like reselling the other to pay for it, but I'm not really sure. They both look pretty cool, but I'll tell you, the unboxing experience for this one in particular exceeds all expectations. It is an event. Unboxing the basketball requires so much unraveling. So much. Do I open this? Do I tear here? Some of that tissue paper is not going to be going up for resale for sure, but you even have a Ziploc type bag to open. There are baggies in this. I feel like I'm opening something from Tiffany's. The antithesis of the Yeezy unboxing experience compared to this, where Yeezy, it's this simple, straightforward, let's make it about the shoe. For being one of Ye's cohorts, his protege, Jerry went the other way with this altogether. And the Ziploc, you can't really zip it, but you kind of have to punch it back into place. It's laborious. And actually, this sneaker here, this does not look like some simple Adidas thing. Obviously, it's not really that high up. You kind of recess in here where your foot's going to be. Does this look a little much? Does it look like a rain galosh maybe? I'm not sure. But you could probably actually ball in this because look, herringbone. You might actually be able to ball. The basketball features light strike in the midsole, so that should give you energy return that may be the next step up for Adidas, going past Boost, possibly. It is sort of the next gen, the next promise. Unfortunately, this sneaker smells like something, and you noticed it in the bag, and it is crazy because like I opened this bag and I get a whiff, and it's the sneaker, and I'm telling you, it's either gasoline or paint thinner. But as soon as I open this up, do not smell inside the bag. It gave me an instant migraine, and it is wild. I have not tried this on yet. We'll get to that later, maybe next week. But again, I went up half size, and I think that this looks so slick. There's little reflective touches in it that bring to mind something like the Jordan 11. and it just looks absolutely premium. Like, definitively premium. In a valley of premium, I mean, but is it comfortable? I guess we're gonna find out later, aren't we? So we're at the part of the video where I have to beg you to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, because subscribe doesn't really account to anything other than YouTube might someday send me a plaque.